Oh, let's see what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Oh, I got the leftover soup and then rice, and that is way too much stuff, but I ran out of propane. So, switch my burner out. Oh, hey everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to have to change my propane tank. Goodness. Who in the world put this thing on there? Well, give me a moment and let me switch this out. Be right back. All right, just need a little bit of brute force. We got the bottom off. Oop, if I can fall over my tent. Let me get my burner back on and light my soup back up. And once again, don't do this at home. You don't do cooking inside of a tent. Well, I'm having to because the wind has picked back up, and you can probably see it's just ripping like crazy again. And outside, there's no way this thing would get. There we go. We got flames. We got soup. Let me bring you in and show you what I got. Goodness gracious. This is some soup that a camper left the other night for me for my birthday, and I had hamburgers instead, but here's the soup. It's got a lot of stuff in there. Potatoes, carrots, and I don't know what that is, squash? I don't know, it's gonna be interesting. And down here is a bowl of rice and chicken. And then I had another camper just come by a few minutes ago. She's been here 2 or 3 times this summer. And look what she baked for me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, sourdough bread. That is going to go great with the soup. And she said if you leave it inside the paper bag, it won't harden up. Is that true? Anybody? So we'll see. Let me get around here where I can start eating, or at least get everything start cooking. But yeah, you can see the wind is picking up again, which makes cooking outside really hard. There's Zen. He's getting hot already. He's going back under the table. It takes him just about 2 minutes and he's done with the sun. So let me get around here and start cooking some more. Now this is cooking. I think those are whole or green tomatoes cut in half. That's what it looks like to me. We'll find out in a minute. But Borregia soup is about ready. Yeah, those look like, are those tomatoes? Or what is that? I don't think so. I don't know. It's got all kinds of veggies in it though. Maybe that's a squash or pumpkin. I don't know what that is. Somebody tell me. And for dessert, I'm gonna have my last piece of birthday cake. Whoop, there you go. From Johnny and Sharon. That's gonna be my dessert tonight. So we're gonna get cooking here before I burn something, like me. I think about it. I always reach down here and I always burn my hand when I'm trying to do something. So let me concentrate, everybody. Be right back. Well, there's my soup, my rice, my chicken, my bread, and my water. I got enough food here to feed 2 or 3 people. Anybody come help me eat this stuff? I'll work on it. That gives in some rice and some chicken meat and some chicken skin. You'll like that. Oh, I got my plates cleaned up. That was interesting. Soup. The lady said it was chicken soup. And it has some chicken parts in it. Like the end of a drumstick. And then, what else in there? Liver or gizzard? I think it was gizzard. And remind me, I don't like gizzards. But I ate it. Sourdough is good. Zen got to eat some chicken skin and chicken meat. No bones. But the sourdough is good. But man, sourdough, it's great once you get inside the roll. Those things are, they're built tough. But it's pretty good. We made it down to the lake, and Zen is checking out the smells of the universe. Look at that nose working. Checking for any kind of wild animals or somebody cooking chicken or somebody open up a bag of Cheetos or something. But I'm going to check around here and show you a couple of the sites. I had to re-record this because my microphone started talking like a drunken sailor again. So I don't know what's wrong with this thing. But over here, there, that is the scenic overlook that overlooks the lake. And on the end of the lake, these two mounds there, that's an actual lava flow. That's what created this lake. And that bump in the back could be a cinder cone. I'm not for sure. But this whole lava flow is all over this part of the country. And Zen is still pondering the universe. I think he's getting ready to move. Nope, just a false movement. Hoping sometime I can find an osprey feeding out here and get it on video. They're out here and they fish all the time. But I saw one flying around, but it wasn't fishing. Are you still smelling things? Did somebody open up a cheese wrapper a mile away? I think so. I had a quiet week. Today's Monday and I've got like 6 campers in, so really quiet. School has started today in a lot of places, so that's probably part of it. But that means the weekends will be busy, but the rest of the week will be kind of slow, which is good. I can get caught up on a few things. Maybe, maybe not. I only got 3 weeks left. As you can tell, a little breezy again. Zen's drinking water and the leash flapping in the wind. But still not as strong as it was last couple of weeks. Oh, we're coming to you from the old bathroom. This is what's left of the old 1930s style bathroom. It's still here. They won't take it down because it's an what is it called? Historical structure. Too much red tape involved, but just want to say, yeah, thanks everybody for the birthday wishes. I had a good birthdays. It was very quiet. I've had more interaction out here in the campground for birthdays than I did back when I was in the Sticks and Bricks. So this is very nice. Thanks for everything, all the food and little gifts and things from me and birthday stuff for Zen, even though it's not his birthday. But I did get him on my birthday. So it's kind of like a birthday. But yeah, we had a good time. Nice and quiet. Looking forward to the next year and see what happens. And no news of the bus on Monday. Nobody contacted me, so I'm going to check in tomorrow on Tuesday and see if there's a tracking number or whether it was the old ploy again, like we're going to ship it, just get off our back kind of thing. So I need to check with them. I'm also going to try to get a company truck so I can go down to Cedar City and do some errands and do some laundry and get my mail and check things on the bus and then kind of go from there. So if you see me driving a company truck, it worked. But right now, I can't get a hold of anybody to get the truck to me. So we'll see what happens. So we'll end this video and say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short little video, and it's a beautiful day out here in the woods. Believe me, and it's nice and quiet, and it is a beautiful day.